I'm feeling myself. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh. Hi everyone, welcome back. Take 3. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here. Today I will be showing you how to do this look right here. And if you'd like to see how to get this look, please keep watching. Alright, so I'm just starting off with applying a little bit of concealer on my lid to prime it. Perfect. Now go ahead and take some translucent powder and set the concealer that you just laid down. This is going to create a smooth base so that you can go ahead and blend in your shadows and it won't be that difficult for you to move your brush around back and forth. So the palette that we'll be using today is the Huda Beauty palette. This one is the Sapphire Obsessions. I'm going ahead with this brush right here with this dark blue shade, and I'm going to start that by applying it on the outer part of my lid here and slowly start to put that all over the lid. I'm gonna just keep building that and making it as dark as I can. Now I'm going in with the lighter blue shade and I'm just taking my brush and running it back and forth. What this is doing is it's creating that gradient effect, so it goes from light to dark. On the same brush, I'm going back with that deeper shade and I'm going to deepen up my lid. And now you want to grab a smaller brush, completely clean, so that you can go in and blend the two colors in. I'm using this one right here. I'm blending the two shades so that they have this more gradient effect and so that they both blend very seamlessly. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut the crease. I'm just taking a flat brush like this, and this one already has a little bit of concealer. I'm going to go and start to cut it from the front. Since I have hooded eyes and very minimal lid space, I like to take my cut creases a little higher than normal. So I am just going to look ahead at my mirror and I'm placing that concealer down. Perfect. So as you can see, I didn't take it at the corner of my lid. I just stopped right here at about the third of my lid, and I'm just going to leave it there and we're going to start blending that out in a bit. I'm actually going to take that same concealer brush that we just used to apply the concealer on my lid, and I'm going to go in with this really pretty silver glitter. So since the base is sticky, this is going to really help this glitter to stick on better. I'm going to go ahead with this brush right here. It's a little smaller, so it's going to really help me get into that crease. And I'm going to apply that dark blue shade in a V shape. So as you can see, I'm taking it from here and I'm creating like a V. And then I'm blending it in. Let's take that light blue shade and blend out this corner here. You want to make sure there are no harsh lines. Alright, so I'm going in with this shade right here, and I'm just going to put that in this outer corner where we merge the two colors. Alright, so let's go ahead at the bottom lower lash. I'm going to start with the lighter blue shade on my lower lash line, and you want to make sure to connect it to the top as well. Just like that, and then we're going to go in with the darker shade and put that as close to the lash line as possible. I'm taking a small brush. I'm going to apply this on the inner corner as a highlight. Now I'm going to go ahead and line my waterline. You can use a black waterliner or you can use a blue liner. I'm going to use this MAC navy blue liner. I just smeared the glitter all over my face, of course. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and clean that up later, but I'm just taking this Essence liner. All right, so this is what it should be looking like right now, and I'm gonna go ahead with some falsies and I'll be right back. All right, here's my eye completed. I'm gonna go and do the left eye and I'll be right back. All right, so I am back with both of my eyes done, and I'm gonna clean up my face a little bit. I smeared that glitter shadow all over my face. This glitter is gonna stay here forever, I know it. Honestly, what are people keeping themselves busy with during this whole coronavirus quarantine thing? Like, honestly, I've been home for about a week and a half doing nothing at all. It's been tough. Like, what are you guys doing? What are you guys all up to? Let me know. It is a tough time, and honestly, it's the best thing that people are staying in, and that's the only way to keep people safe. NBA season is canceled, and I'm just, I don't know, like, it feels surreal to me because I love basketball and I was really hoping for another win this year, but we'll see what happens. All right, so you know what? I'm gonna go in with this Smashbox foundation. I think this one has a really good coverage, and this one is a little too dark for me, so I like to mix it with a lighter foundation. I'm gonna go in with this Infallible one. Focus, there it is. So this Infallible one from L'Oreal, 24 Fresh Wear foundation, and this one is in the shade Amber, and the Smashbox one is in the shade Medium Dark. The tone is warm, and it is warm. Like, check this out. Like, it looks orange on my skin. See? But it is full coverage. I love this foundation. Oh my god. Maybe in the camera it doesn't look orange, but in real life, it looks so orange. All right, so I'm just gonna actually apply this to... Cool. I mean, thank God for Netflix though, right? If I didn't have Netflix, I honestly don't know what I would do. Honestly, they didn't have many shade selections, so I'm out here looking like an Oompa Loompa. Oompa Loompa, Loompa-dee-doo. Oh my god. This look now, after singing that song, it's reminding me of that blueberry girl. The girl that turned into a blueberry in that movie, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Maybe I'll watch that movie. I'm having too much fun, as you can see, you know, or maybe I'm just going insane. I don't know, I can't tell anymore. It's been too long since I've been outside. This is what having no social life is. Not that I had much to begin with. Okay, I'm finally getting rid of that god-awful concealer cast that I had going on around my brows. Cool. I think the only thing that can save my yellowness is by going in with a concealer that is hella light. So I'm gonna go in with this one that I've been using all this time for everything. What is this? Is this the right way? Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. So this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD HD High Definition Concealer. I have no more left. I can't even go outside to get any more. Come on. Okay. Don't give up on me now. Yeah. I don't know what song that is. I'm pretty sure I just made that up. Honestly, I'm a new YouTuber, so I'm still like figuring certain things out when it comes to filming and stuff. And one thing that has been the most annoying thing, apart from like the perfect lighting, finding the perfect lighting and all that, is the fact that my computer that I use as a monitor, I look at it a lot and I don't look at the camera as much. I'm sorry, I can't connect to y'all. But the worst thing is that the camera stops recording if like the memory or the battery turns off, and I don't even know when that happens. Another horrible thing is like my sister, my baby sister, she's 11. She is so into TikTok, and I feel like if you don't have TikTok, you're just not cool anymore, and I'm not even that old and I feel like I'm old. I don't know, can anyone else relate? Oh, concealer, you saved me. Honestly, I need music. I need music. I'm going crazy. Does anyone else's back start hurting while you're sitting down? Like, I need one of those chairs that have like a little back support. So I'm gonna, oh my gosh, why haven't I been wearing this? There, I feel more like myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and using this, oh shoot. Okay, so, oh, you can actually see how orange my face is when I put some shadow on it. You see? Okay, look at the lower part of my face. Does that not look like super orange? I can't do anything about it anymore. So I'm taking my Kat Von D contour palette or whatever this is. Yes, palette, shade and light. And I'm gonna, oops, I'm gonna go ahead with this thing right here. This thing, the middle one. It's called, oh, there you go. I'm dumb. Shadow play. All right, so I'm just taking like a small sort of, blending brush. And I use this strictly for my nose. And I'm gonna look down and just contour my broken nose. Whatever. That's the best I can do with my nose right now. I broke my nose when I played hockey, like when I was very young. And yeah, it's been this way. I think at that time I didn't really think I would ever care. Okay, so I'm going to set my concealer, going back and making sure it didn't crease. Okay, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me in light medium 20, and I'm taking my OG thing to apply it. This is the Beauty Blender thing, and gonna apply that under my eye like that. Is anyone watching American Idol or The Voice? I watch both, and I'm excited that Nick is the judge. I think that he's gonna do a great job because I watched, was it last year when he came on? All right, so my my camera died. I was basically in the middle of baking my face, and I contoured my nose. I applied a little bit of the leftovers after I baked underneath my eyes. I applied the rest of it under my cheekbones to cut it a little bit. Cut the cheekbones, applied some on my chin and on my forehead where I tend to kind of sweat. I always lose words. It's like they're in my head, but I don't know what happens, like, you know? Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and I can't even find anything. Okay, I'm gonna take this brush here and start to brush everything out. I know for a fact that I'm not talking as loud as I should be, and then when I go on like Final Cut Pro to start editing my video, I'm gonna realize that it's not loud enough, and then I'm gonna cry for like 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna have to increase the volume on that software, and then it's gonna sound hella staticky and terrible, and that's just gonna be on repeat until I like seriously figure out how to do all this stuff. All right, so that is great. I'm going to go back to my palette, take the lighter blue shade, and I'm gonna smudge the bottom here because it kind of got ruined when I was applying my concealer. So all right, so let's go ahead with some blush. I'm gonna take this really fluffy brush here, and I want a peach blush, I think. Peach or, oh, I forgot a bronze. I should bronze first. Okay, let's go back in the Shade and Light palette. I'm going to just bronze my cheeks a little bit. So I make sure that I apply it above that line that I created with that puff. Also, I take this opportunity to apply this all the way to my hairline to mask any sort of, like, you know when you apply foundation and it kind of creates like a mask around your hairline? Yeah, so I take this opportunity to hide it. So now it's time for the blush. Let's grab, okay, so I'm taking this one from Jouer. I'm gonna go in with this one right here. Swirl, and I'm gonna apply this really high here. Applying it high will make it look like your cheekbones are high. And this particular blush is a little shiny, has like a sheen to it, which I have a love and hate relationship with those things because it makes it look like your cheeks are like, you know, if you're oily. No, honey. Can you see? In person, you can really see, but on the camera, I don't know if you can see my blush. Like, I'm applying way too much. And then I like to apply some on my nose. Okay, let's take a drugstore highlight. I'm gonna use this one from Wet n Wild. Okay, so this is in the shade Precious Petals. I don't know if they still have this. I bought this a very long time ago. It's hella old. I love highlight. I love highlight. Oh my gosh. I think highlighters are like essential now, you know? Like, I don't think people can go out without highlighter. I know I can't, so. Oh my god, what am I doing? Why am I going overboard with this highlighter? I have no self-control. Okay, oh, this reminds me, I didn't even highlight my brow bone. What am I even doing? Let's highlight the brow bone. Let us go in with a lip liner. I'm gonna go in with this Essence lip liner here. Oh, come on. Yeah, I'm feeling this. I wish it was a little darker. Oh my god, my lips are so dry, it's not even a joke. I need to trim my nose hairs. I hope you can't see them. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this Essence lipstick. This one is in the shade This Is Nude, Legendary. You know when you get to like the finish line of creating a look and you're just scared that you're gonna like do one wrong thing and ruin it altogether? For me, that's always the mascara. Okay, before I do my montage, I need to make sure that my lipstick is on right, because I start doing my montage and I go like this, and then you could see like from the side, you can see like my dry lip or something hanging out, and I'm like, ugh, why? Why am I so dry? Okay. I think I have done it. I think I'm done. Okay, hold on. Before I go ahead with anything else, I'm gonna finish it off by this Pixi Glow Mist thing. How many things have I called thing today? This Pixi Glow Mist setting spray. I'm going to finish off with this Pixi Glow Mist setting spray. It's this one right here. You can't even see it. I think it's it with my background. Anyways, this is the Glow Mist. And let's go ahead and ooh, I actually applied that looking somewhat decent. Where's my fan? I think I got this from like Chinatown. Oh my gosh, my lashes. I'm scared my lashes are gonna come off. Let's take this off, hold on. Clearly I like pink, but do I look glamorous? Okay. That is done. Let's messy up this hair. Yeah, I was going for that. I actually applied like, what is that thing called? What is it called? Oh, chin pad. Beach spray. You know the beach spray? Because I wanted like beachy waves with this look. I thought it was sultry. Is it? But yeah, I wanted that beach kind of hair vibe. So I had straightened hair from yesterday, but I was like, let's apply some beach sea salt spray and make my hair look beachy, salty and stuff. So yeah, so this is the end of my tutorial. I'm in love with the word I say it so much and I have to like delete it off of I have to go to every single part of my videos and I have to like, anyways. So this is what I'm doing with my time that I have. Please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget, do not forget to subscribe to the channel. So this is the completed look, and I hope that you enjoyed spending this time with me. I want everyone to stay safe out there, stay inside as much as you can. Until next time, I love you.